So where are they?
They're at this place called the Northwoods. It's right to like the right. You can get there easily. We'll meet them there. I think we should either eat really early or really late today.
Yeah.
Also, where's that park at?
I have no clue. It's not where I thought it was.
That? No. I remember last year all the parks were off like this chair and the gondola.
I thought it was right under, yeah, right under.
Last year there was one right under, there was one like from that entire trail right there.
I know, that was fire.
That was such a good park.
What a crazy line on that.
I know. There were nice tubes and rails and all that stuff. It was really good.
Back. You like tubes more than rails?
Yeah. I think so. Why?
They have a lot more, I mean, it's more limited, but a lot easier because you have a lot more surface area.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna say.
But it's a lot harder to like spin on it because
yeah,
it's a lot wider.
You ever heard of Sunday River?
Nope.
Yeah, well, it's this place in Maine. It's literally like they have an entire area of the mountain that's just all terrain parks. It's so fun. I went there last year in like March, and they had so many terrain parks. It was awesome. Like, I don't know, it's probably like these huge jumps to start, and then it's like what do you call like it's like a tube, but it goes like up and down like 3 or 4 times. I don't know all that.
Okay.
But it was really cool.
Whack.
Yeah. It was really good. But then I wasn't really like trying to do stuff.
Yeah.
So it was like a little bit lame for me, since I just like wasn't actually trying.
When I'm trying new stuff, I always bring I got like these padded like underwear.
Oh, yeah.
Just like falling on those rails hurts so bad. Like it'll completely ruin the day for me.
Yeah. I remember one time I was skiing at that Wyndham place, and I hit a tube, and
oh jeez.
I don't know what happened. It was like at the end of it, I just like skidded off. I think I was leaning back and I landed. It took me like 5 seconds to fall, and I like almost recovered.
Oh. Yeah, when you're going on the rail, you gotta make sure you have a lot of more
tube.
Oh yeah, tube. You have to make sure you have more pressure on your front foot than your back foot, because if it's like just a little bit more on the back foot, then you're gonna slip out, and that hurts.
Oh yeah, there's this Instagram account I follow called Highland Hills Fails. This is this place in Minnesota I used to ski at, and it's also like all parks, and they like something's up with the rails and tubes there apparently. Cause like people like slip off them like every other run. They're just like that crazy.
Oh.
A little bit of snow coming down. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, there we are. There it is.
Where? Oh, cool.
Gotta know how to get there.
Yeah, I think you just need to go like off that. But if we're not gonna be lapping this chair, then can't really do it.
We'll hit it later.
Yeah.
Especially since, like, if I do fall, I don't want to get in the beginning of the day.
Yeah, hopefully the crowds will clear out later.
It's gotta be so busy. People hiking the park.
Oh, yeah. Honestly, I bet there are a ton of people doing that.
I know.
When I was at Stowe, they had this like tiny little terrain park set up. It was like 3 elements, and it was all hikers. And there were only like 10 people in it, so I bet it was probably really fun, but it was very sad. It was a huge box, a rail, and a tube, and on like a very small slope. I just heard somebody do something. Oh yeah, there's the park. There's the park. Looks okay. Oh, I see that mushroom thing. That's cool.
Yeah, tail tap that thing. I might go into it, switch, and nose tap it though.
That would be nice. Get that ball up. Remember last year we were trying to break this thing?
Oh yeah, me and my buddies did that once.
Did it actually
You got to get it to like up to here, and it'll snap off.
Sure.
Alright.
It's not yet. Up that sign.
Hips up. Make sure you're... I love your form.
Oh, I'm ready!